What up, crew? Hope you had a happy holidays, and while most people are taking down their trees, mine still looks like this. Plus, I have a ton of branches, and we're gonna have to put these up because we have some really cool ornaments that all of the makers have made. You guys rock. Let's get to it.
So if you don't know about this project, it's a collaboration with tons of makers to help create ornaments for a local charity, the Kids Network, showing young people how to be creative and build stuff. Take a look at the previous video to see how this 3D printed tree came about. But now that I have these branches, I need to attach them using a 3D pen.
And now through the YouTube trick that everyone's doing, what? It's a maker miracle. Okay, so let's string up some lights.
I'm not a fan of fake Christmas trees, but I really enjoy this new feature of having the tree spin. I'm definitely going to incorporate this into more future projects. Although I'll admit that it could have turned into a mangled mess, so I sadly couldn't turn it on full blast. I'll put a clip of the takedown in the next video on full speed.
Alright, so now I would call this a maker tree. Let's put on some ornaments. So first up, we have these animals by Arty Lobster. Check them out online. They have some amazing 3D printing going on there. Totally unexpected, and the Kids Network is gonna love these. Then we have this rocking guitar by Steve Carmichael. Check out this build on his YouTube page. Next, let's get into some more natural stuff like this beautiful resin-filled plant by Pam Harris. Next, it's The Attack of the Trees by Matthew Smith, Beakz Buildz, Dave's Designs, and The Fishers. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this tree is actually from Chris from The Blind Woodturner. Met him at Maker Central last year. Really cool guy. Check out his channel. He does some amazing stuff and really inspiring on what you can actually do. And then we have one of the funniest ornaments of all, Bruce inside the air ducts from the classic Christmas Story. And it's by a Woodworker's Son from Neil. Thanks so much. This is hilarious. Then we get into some more resin from this cool bell from WH Creations and Borg 3B's 3D printed and resin-based ornament. Looks really cool. And now, boom, it's light outside. Why? Because I had to wait a couple days since the airline lost my bags and I couldn't show you guys this, but we found it and we're moving on. To wrap things up, we've got the snowman from AC Nailed It. Really cool stuff. Plus we got this awesome welded tree that Matt Berry made from Berry Custom. Check out his channel. And now we've got this really cool ornament that Run CNC did. And Nick told me that you have to put it together and it slides in and it actually becomes a 3D ornament in and of itself. Super sweet. Next we have from Doug Pisik, an amazing carpenter who's only on Instagram, so check out his channel there. This heart that, I mean, the guy does phenomenal work. Take a look. And I want to give a special little shout out to my old company, Ollie Damon's in Portland, Oregon. They've been around since 1945 and they just closed their doors last week. An amazing outdoor repair company that basically taught me a lot about making and having the confidence to just get into something and start fixing it. And I had my old little stocking. And so I think I'll just throw that up on the tree just for a little memoir to them. Plus, while we're taking a walk down memory lane, my dad did a 3D print of the retro logo of the University of Portland, my alma mater, so let's put that up on the tree as well. And then right up the street, who can forget Shuke Khan with this really cool skull lamp. Here, I'll take out the light, and he's got some really neat lights. I'll put a link, obviously, to his website and everything, where you can check out all of his stuff. And wrapping things up, we have our gifts from Portugal. This is made by Sarah, and it is a red orb or soccer ball or football shape. And this is a beaver from Joanna, but that doesn't have to only deal with wood, it's also Oregon's state animal. Good thinking. And lastly, to top everything off, we've got ourselves a real star from Get Hands Dirty. She had to make 2 of them because the first one broke in the mail. But I think this one turned out even better. It's so cool. We've got some LEDs going on, we've got some gingerbread happening, all done with our favorite little machine, the X-Carve. Time to put this maker tree all together. I'm just gonna zip tie this because my ceiling's too short and I don't want anything to break. Plus it's more in fashion with the maker kind of mentality. And now I just want to give a big thank you for everybody for making this whole thing happen. It really wouldn't be possible without you guys. I feel honored that I'm even a part of this community. Special shout out to Filament PM for providing the PLA for all of this crazy printing. Now I'm gonna go drop off all these amazing things to the Kids Network, and we'll end with a quote.
Also, thanks to It Soph, A Glimpse Inside, Artfully Rogue, and all the other makers who are as late as me trying to finish projects.
Can't wait to see what 2019 brings.